CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 8th of June 2025. In Pakistan, a 14-year-old girl, Aliza, was kidnapped, forced to convert, and forced to marry by a Muslim man. The police have not yet arrested anyone. The Child Marriage Restraint Act has not been implemented. Pastor Kim Sun-young says that whenever a Christian is caught worshipping in North Korea, he is sent to jail. Pastor Kim was also kept in jail for 3 years. Now he has fled to a secret place, but he wants to continue doing God's work in North Korea. Zhao Ying. Living as a Christian in China is the most difficult process. Now that he is back home after serving many sentences, he is happy that the Bible can be used through a mobile app. Songs can be listened to, and the Word of God is progressing. Felipe spoke about the situation of Christians in Cuba. Politically, Christians are not given any resources. Incidents of violence against Christians during worship are common. When Felipe complained to the police, she was harassed. In Iran, Artemis Gassamzade was tried to be converted from Christianity by causing her every possible pain. She was also subjected to sexual violence in prison, but she remained faithful to her faith. Now she is serving her sentence, but she remains faithful to her faith. Referring to the situation in Kenya, Boz Charutik says that Islamic attackers came to the area and blocked the road, asking for identification documents from people coming, and when someone was a Christian, they locked him in their car and started beating him. The authorities also did not take any action against him. He adds news from Myanmar that Sang Lee is the leader of the Christians in Anju. He says that there is a ceasefire. But at the same time, extremist groups who are supported by the government come and shoot at Christians. Many Christians have been killed. In Brunei, a Christian named Omar says that Islamic Sharia law has been violated. He was kidnapped and accused of adultery. Now he will be killed at any time. These systematic attacks against Christians are continuing by the government. Rafsa says that in Sudan, Christian children cannot go to school due to the threat. They cannot gather in one place. Because of this, churches are closed. Women are kidnapped and subjected to sexual violence. Bishop John Bakini was kidnapped in Niger. He was accused by Islamic jihadists that he was preparing a group of people who would carry out operations against the jihadists, but Christians are a weak minority in Nigeria. How can they fight them? Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.